Hello everybody, today is Thursday, September 21st. It is 9:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm just getting around to making today's video. I had some appointments towards the end of the trading session. So again, the charts haven't been refreshed. Here's the time and sales for the EMini S&P trading at 24.9350. And it was a pretty decent day for the auto trader. Some really interesting charts we've been following lately, mainly these line break and small size Renko bars are showing some interesting results. We haven't had a great deal of volatility considering the price of the financial indices. First up is the bonds on a 377 tick line break chart. We saw this yesterday, I believe, or the day before. Anyway, this had three trades. It started off with a small loser, and then it had a long and a short back to back, and ended up with 781 for the day on two contracts. Okay, next up is the bonds on a Super Renko 2 tick, and the trading hours on this one are extended in that I don't have any entry filters on here. It's basically trading 24/7, and I just closed the position for the benefit of this video. This trade here at 1800 hours was taken long, and then I just closed the position here. So this is actually done 1250 for the day on two contracts on this single long position. Okay, next up is the crude oil on a Super Renko 6 tick, and this had four winners and one loser right here. The first winner very small, and then we had this long trade, a short, and then tried to go long here, but then another short and a long, and this did 970 for the day. The profit target on this chart is $1,000, so I'm certain that we hit our profit target and then had to take a slippage towards the end. This is trading three contracts on this one, so we're actually going for 12 ticks on the first target. Correction, this is only two contracts. So we're going for 12 ticks on the first contract, and then a trail stop after 36 ticks. We're trailing by one bar. A very solid performance for this. Okay, I used to follow the 7 tick on the DAX quite a bit, and then I didn't follow it for a while, but I brought it back, and this has been showing on the plus side of the red ledger quite a bit recently. So here's all the trades here. We started off, our equity high was nearly $1,500, and then we kind of got whipped around and only ended up with half of that. So interestingly here, I should probably consider changing the profit target here to something a little more reasonable. The 14 tick Super Renko didn't trade today because I forgot to enable the chart. Okay, next up is the EMini S&P on a regular 2 Renko chart, and this too has had some interesting performance recently. This is using a second time frame for confirmation. And you can see how we ignored this short trade here, and it stayed with the long position and then exited based on the higher time frame reversal here. So this did 475 for the day. That's pretty good for the EMini S&P. A very modest gain on the mid cap on a Super Renko 14 tick chart. Okay, next up is the EMini S&P on a 2500 tick chart, and there was two trades. This trade here, this long on the far left, that was yesterday, and there's an H next to the trade. And you can see our two winning short trades here. There's no H next to the trade, so that means these were taken today. And We did 637.50 on 2 trades, 2 contracts. Okay, just for grins, I started plotting a few commodities. So for the first time ever, I plotted the lean Hogs contract, and this did 430 for the day on 2 contracts, day trading the lean Hogs. So I would say that's interesting. Okay, next up is the EMini SP on a Super Renko 6 tick. This had 2 trades here, a short and a very small long, and did 400 for the day, trading 2 contracts. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website or contact us at systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.